The digital world is buzzing. Headlines everywhere ask, is Google's reign finally over? For decades, Google has been the gateway to the world's information, a verb, a habit, a constant. But today, September 10th, 2025, a new force is shaking the ground beneath this tech giant. Enter Perplexity AI, not just another search engine, but a radical rethinking of how we access knowledge. Imagine a world where you don't sift through endless links. Instead, you get direct, clear answers, summarized, sourced, and ready to use. Perplexity AI is growing fast, moving from a niche tool to a mainstream disruptor. This isn't just a tech story, it's about how all of us will find information in the future. The promise? An answer engine, not just a search engine. Instead of a list of sources, you get a single, concise response, crafted from the best information available. The implications are massive for business, education, and everyday life. The battle for the future of information has begun. For over 20 years, Google's model, type keywords, get links, has ruled. Now, Perplexity AI offers a new philosophy. In an age of information overload, clarity is king. This report will take you inside this technology, exploring what it is, how it works, and whether it can truly challenge Google. The stakes? Nothing less than the future of how we learn, work, and connect. The question, is this the moment Google finally meets its match? The story is unfolding now, and the outcome is far from certain. Stay with us. So what is Perplexity AI? At its core, it's an answer engine. Think of it as a research assistant that reads, summarizes, and delivers clear answers. Unlike Google, which gives you a list of websites, Perplexity AI does the heavy lifting. It reads the sources, synthesizes the information, and presents a direct response. Built by former engineers from top AI labs, its mission is to cut through the noise of ads and unreliable content. Powered by large language models, the same tech behind ChatGPT, Perplexity AI aims to reduce your confusion or perplexity about any topic. It's not just about more results, it's about better answers. Perplexity AI converges information, giving you a single, coherent summary instead of a million options. It's a hybrid, part search engine, part conversational AI. It browses the web in real time, ensuring up-to-date answers, and holds a conversation like a chatbot. This unique blend makes it a credible threat to the old guard of search. The difference is clear the moment you land on Perplexity AI's homepage. Instead of a blank search bar, you're invited to ask anything. Full questions, not just keywords. Perplexity is built for natural conversational queries. Google gives you 10 blue links. Perplexity gives you a direct written answer, complete with numbered citations linking to its sources. This transparency builds trust. You can verify every fact instantly. Google's business is ads. Perplexity's core experience is clean and ad-free with a paid pro tier for advanced features. After a Google search, you often start over if you need more info. With Perplexity, you continue the conversation. Follow-up questions build on your previous ones. It remembers context, turning static searches into dynamic dialogues. The result? A more intuitive, human-like way to explore information. Perplexity's model is about clarity, not clutter. It's a shift from searching to understanding. For the first time in years, Google's dominance faces a real innovative challenge. The future of search is up for grabs. What makes Perplexity AI stand out? Let's break down its core features. First, conversational search. Ask questions in plain English, follow up, or request simpler explanations like, explain it to me like I'm 10. Second, verified sources. Every answer comes with direct citations so you know exactly where the information comes from. Third, real-time information. Perplexity connects to the web, delivering up-to-the-minute answers on news, sports, or trends. Fourth, collections. Organize your research into folders, perfect for projects or trip planning. Pro users can choose different AI models like GPT-4 or Google's Gemini for more tailored responses. And with a sleek mobile app, all this power fits in your pocket. The result? A transparent, flexible, and always current research partner. Perplexity isn't just a search tool, it's a smarter way to learn. It's designed for students, professionals, and anyone who values accuracy. The days of endless link hunting are numbered. Welcome to the answer engine era. Let's see conversational search in action. Planning a garden? With Google, you'd run separate searches for best vegetables, soil prep, and pest control, each a new list of links. With Perplexity, it's a single, flowing conversation. I want to start a vegetable garden this spring in a temperate climate. What should I plant? The AI gives you a source summary. You follow up. Which is easier for beginners, tomatoes or cucumbers? The context is remembered and you get a direct comparison. Need soil prep tips? Just ask. The thread continues. It feels like talking to an expert, not searching a database. The AI holds the thread, connecting your questions and answers. Now about trust. Every claim is cited. Click a number, see the source. For students, it's a shortcut to credible research. For professionals, it's a fast track to reliable data. Perplexity's commitment to citations sets it apart from chatbots that hallucinate facts. It teaches digital literacy. Always check the source. The result: convenience meets credibility. That's the new standard for online answers. Perplexity AI's real-time data access makes it practical for daily life, not just research. Early AI models were like outdated encyclopedias. Great for history, useless for breaking news. Perplexity scans the web live, so you can ask about last night's game, today's stock trends, or your flight status. The answers are current, relevant, and sourced. For power users, Perplexity Pro lets you choose advanced AI models like GPT-4 or Claude 3 for deeper, more nuanced responses. Need help debugging code or analyzing complex data? Switch to a more powerful model. This flexibility means Perplexity serves everyone, from casual users to experts. It's a one-stop shop for the best AI tech, wrapped in a user-friendly, source-focused interface. The future of search isn't just smart, it's up to the minute. Perplexity delivers on that promise. Ready to try Perplexity AI? Here's how your first search goes. No account needed, just visit the site and type your question into the Ask Anything bar. Let's say you ask, what are the health benefits of a Mediterranean diet? Perplexity searches sources, then writes a clear, structured summary, citing reputable organizations like the Mayo Clinic. Hover over the citation numbers to see the exact source. At the top, you'll find clickable links to all referenced articles. After reading, you can verify every fact instantly. Below the answer, you'll see related questions. Click 1 to continue the conversation. Each follow-up builds on your previous context, taking you deeper into the topic. In minutes, you've gone from curiosity to understanding, all in a single thread. That's the power of conversational search. Try it yourself and see the difference. To get the most from Perplexity AI, be specific. Detailed questions yield better answers. Use the focus feature. Choose academic for scholarly sources, writing for text help, Wolfram Alpha for data, YouTube for videos, or Reddit for opinions. Picking the right focus sharpens your results. But remember, Perplexity isn't a creative thinker. It summarizes what's already known. Sometimes it may misinterpret a source or pull a detail out of context. Always check the original sources for critical decisions. Bias is another limitation. The AI reflects the perspectives of its sources. If most articles lean one way, so will the summary. Perplexity is improving at balance, but users should stay critical. It's a powerful tool, but not infallible. Use it wisely. Its strength is in clarity, not creativity. So is Perplexity AI the Google killer? The answer is nuanced. Google is a giant, deeply embedded in our habits and the web's infrastructure. But Perplexity offers a fundamentally different, often superior experience for research, learning, and direct answers. It solves the problem of information overload and endless links. This is the first real threat to Google's core search in over a decade. Still, it's not all or nothing. Google may remain the go-to for quick lookups and shopping, while Perplexity becomes the knowledge engine for deeper understanding. The market could split, Google as the directory, Perplexity as the answer engine. Ultimately, it's up to you, the user, to decide if Perplexity is worth the switch. Will direct sourced answers change your habits? Google is racing to add similar AI features, so the competition is just beginning. For the first time in years, search is evolving. Try Perplexity. See how it feels. Is this the future of finding information? The next chapter is yours to write.